welcome back to my mukbang. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. I got a 12-piece bucket deal, which comes with 3 sides and biscuits. If you guys have been following me for a long time, I do not like biscuits, so I actually just put it to the side. I got 3 buckets or 3 tubs of coleslaw. I don't know, I was very craving coleslaw today, and I usually, whenever I eat fried chicken, I go through these so quickly, so I wanted to just get 3, okay? And for today's drink, I have 갈아 만든 주스, 갈아 만든 배. This is just the Korean pear puree juice or Korean pear juice. Open this up, little cup, and this is so cute. This is just like a cup holder or like cup warmer. My sister made it for me, and you know, like, my favorite color is yellow. I mean, although I've been loving purple and ash pink, but you know, I still love yellow. So my sister made this for me. Okay. Wow, that is so sweet. I want to start with a little bit of coleslaw. And my gloves. Start with the wing. Yum. I feel like I'm definitely a KFC girl, not Popeyes. I like Popeyes too. I haven't had. I haven't had KFC in a while. I feel my mic is too close. So good. That's a drumsticks. Cheers, guys. Okay. Maybe a little bit. Just a little bit on this side. I really wish I had some hot sauce mixed with ketchup, but I ran out yesterday. Or a couple days ago. I don't remember. This is a thigh. How do you guys eat the thighs? Like, do you guys use a fork or chopsticks? I mean, I feel bad. At the same time, I don't feel bad because he ate and I give him treat. Many people think that dogs sit next to you and beg for food because they're hungry. It's not because they're hungry. I think they just do that because they're sensitive. Their nose is very sensitive and they, obviously it smells good, so. I don't know. Why did they exactly beg for food?
It's not fair that you get to eat it.
And they get to eat the dog food?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I actually, when I got Ame, I actually tried his food. like not the wet food, but the kibble. Actually, the exact one that I'm feeding him right now. The same brand, at least. Oh my god, it tastes so bad. Like, when they're eating it, it sounds so crunchy, right? So I was like, it must be good, it sounds so crunchy. So I tried it. It's not like fried chicken crunchy. It's very like wet crunchy. I don't even know how to explain it, but yeah, it tastes really, really bad. Like, how it says like chicken flavor or like beef flavor? I don't know. I didn't taste any of that. And I mean, I know that a lot of people might be disgusted. Like, oh my god, you tried dog food? No, it's like literally one kibble. I didn't even finish. I spit it out. I like the wing. I mean, it's really good. When I feel like, really honestly, and I'm not even kidding, when I'm like kind of eating this one piece for a long time, like I'm like kind of picking on it, he thinks that I'm giving it to him. So he's very calm and he stares at me harder. Well, if I do this, okay, he thinks I'm giving it to him. I know that I shouldn't be doing that. Like more ketchup. I know that many people, including my family, wouldn't believe me when I say that. I think I'm really smart. I really think it's smart because I stopped. I didn't think about it until like he kind of grew up a little bit more. Because if Tong and I are sitting down eating Kentucky Fried Chicken, he will be on like he is close to me right now, but he's constantly barking. He's constantly barking at us for even a small piece. But when I'm filming, no matter what I'm eating, I could be eating boiled eggs, fried chicken. I mean, he's next to me and like literally like centimeter away from my face, but he never barks. He doesn't. I mean, he barked before because either he's in the balcony and wants to come in, or like someone's coming through the door. Besides that, he barks like here and there, but like he definitely doesn't bark as much as when I'm not filming. I think he notices the light and camera maybe. I don't know what it is, but right now he's not barking. He haven't barked. I'm telling you, he's smart. 이거는 wow, how many wings are in here? Okay, one more. Oh, I'm so slow. guys, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's mukbang. And if you guys are interested in more food videos, check out my ASMR channel, check out Tongdegi's channel, and also I have a beauty channel. So if you guys are interested in how I got this hair, I guess, well, not anymore because it's fading beautifully. But yeah, check out all the channels, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Good boy, Yummy.